Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a get ready with me video showing you how I put on my fusion Brigitte cosplay. So I start off with a black shirt, black pants, and a corset, and the first pieces I add are my shin pieces. They slide over my calves and have an elastic strap near my ankle. Then I add the shoe pieces. That bottom piece just slips right over my shoes and I can slip my foot directly into it. These boots are really easy to walk in and aren't too chunky and also don't restrict my movement. After that comes the center portion near my stomach. It just attaches with some simple pieces of Velcro, and it is made with foam and fabric. Next comes the chest plate. I simply slip the whole thing over my head and Velcro it on my right side. This makes it easy to get in and out of. Then comes the belt piece. The belt piece is extremely important because it holds so many other pieces of the costume. It holds the front flap, the back flap. It attaches to the chest plate and also holds the two hip pieces. There are two Velcro pieces underneath of the center portion of the chest plate so that it can attach that small fabric piece. Then I add the hip pieces with some more Velcro on the sides. After that comes the skirt piece, and it is attached with, you guessed it, more Velcro. Two Velcro pieces in the front and one slightly in the back. Then I attach my arm pieces. The left one is super easy and attaches with a backpack clip right on the top of my chest plate. But the right one is a little bit harder for me to reach since the clip is underneath my chest plate, so I normally have to recruit someone for help. After that, I also recruit help to get my arm pieces on. I have two upper arm pieces, two elbow pieces, and then also my gloves. And there you have it. That was my get ready with me in my fusion Brigitte cosplay. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe. If you want to know more about my fusion Brigitte build, you can leave a comment with some questions and I might just do a cosplay Q&A. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye!